I'm back from work. It's raining really hard out there. Hey, little feather, what's wrong? I know it's raining and... Oh, you're scared of the thunder. Hey, it's okay. Here. Let me just pull you into my arms. That's right. And it is raining hard, isn't it? But don't worry about the rain. Listen to my voice. You'll be fine. Alright? Yeah, funny thing. When I was small, I used to be scared of thunderstorms. And I did not trip up on my words. That was your imagination. Okay, yeah, alright, I tripped up on my words, but you don't need to say anything about it, man. Yeah. But if you think about it, thunder's a natural thing. I know you know that already, but I'm just saying to help you feel better? Okay, yeah, it's a little much, but just look at me, look into my eyes. When you hear a clash of thunder, you count. I know it's for kids and all, but it helps me. Yeah, I'm a little scared of thunder. I had to walk here so I won't get struck down. Was that a pun? That pun really didn't make sense now. Very shocking. Yeah, you're just my little pun master, aren't you? But like I said, stay in my arms, listen to my voice, ignore the thunder. It will go away. Now, want to get distracted? You got flustered quickly. No, distracted like watching TV. Oh, the TV's out? So thunder? Yeah. This thunderstorm is gonna get on our nerves, isn't it? Yeah. Well, we got other ways to be distracted. Let's get to it then. Now that was fun. Hey, you said you wanted it rough, so don't blame me. Want to do it again? Kid, listen, I've been out all day and I'm tired. Listen, I love you, but I need sleep. I know I'm the one that always likes to mess around, but... Yeah, you're right. Well, we should actually get to bed, because it's actually late. Love you, Feather.